Be honest, do you ever cut off the greens of radishes and get rid of them? No shame, you're not the only one. Many people do it. But not anymore. After this recipe, you will be buying radishes because of the greens. For this week's Zero Waste cooking class, we will be making crostini with cream cheese, radish leaf pesto and roasted radishes, and afterwards some homemade tagliatelle with asparagus. So let's get cracking. This is really a workout, but I love kneading with my hands. To avoid single-use plastic, I use a Tupperware and coat the dough in a little bit of olive oil. Look who's begging. No radishes for the poop. Everyone knows the problem. You bought a baguette 1 or 2 days ago and it's already kind of too hard to eat as a sandwich. But you don't have to throw this bad boy away. No, we will make some very nice and crunchy crostini with it. Okay, so you want to keep this starchy pasta water because we will need it to make our pasta creamy. And if you have some left over, you can also use it for your next sauce to bind it. Join me in this week's live Zero Waste cooking class to make those delicious recipes with a professional chef. Let's